Good morning guys, morning everyone. We are now in the second video, which I can teach you 3 tools in every video. Now, first you need to open your Photoshop, then second is create new files document using short size open papers. Now, in first video, I show you this. I taught you these 3 video: the move tool, rectangular tool, and the polygonal tool. Now, I will teach you the magic wand tool, the brush tool, and the cloning tool, or the clone stamp tool. The magic tool is using usually for the white background. Say for sample, let's open a background or an image that you set. This one and this one. And this one. These two. So can't open the other one background. So let's try the other. Remember, you need to right click and rasterize layer so that you can edit your layer. As you notice, this background is already a PNG background, or doesn't have the background anymore, the white background. So let's change it and let us look for another background line. Okay, the magic tool is used usually for the white background. Say for example, you remove this background color so that you can see which background your let's say let's addition another layer and put some color. Okay, these 2 layer and this one, we will compare how to use the magic tool. The magic wand tool is used usually for this white background. Say for example, this layer, this one. So if you click on the white area, you can immediately delete that area, then click outside. So, or what I mean in the plain area, or you can erase also this pink area like this. You see that it creates all the pink area. Okay, like that. The difference between the magic tool is you cannot use it in the multicolor image. Say for example, this one, you click on the white, not that layer, this one, this layer. Okay, this one, this layer. If you select magic tool, you see the portion that it selected, the only lighter selection only. So if you delete that, so you can see that there's a portion that is not selected. So that's why the magic wand tool is usually using for white or plain color background or area that you can select. Say for example, the white or either the violet color. If you select the violet, you can delete the violet. If you select the white, this one, the white, you can delete the white like that. Now let's proceed to the next tool, the brush tool. This brush tool is using for brushing area. Say for example, this one. Now I want to brush this area to select this white straight. You can create this, what do you call this, the rectangular tool, and select this white area. Then use your brush. So in brush you can use whatever color you want. Let's say yellow. You want to use yellow, you can just brush it here. So the area only selected will paint the brush. And it will not brush outside the area. Okay, so that is the use of brushing tool. Then proceed to tool number 3 is the cloning tool. Let's look for another background so that I can show you how to use the cloning tool. The cloning tool is usually using for copying portion. From the word cloning, it means you copy the same area. Let's say this one. Okay. Right click and rasterize so that we can always move the first tool, the move tool, so that you can adjust your image size. Okay. Now the use of this clone stamp tool is to copy or to clone. Say for example this area here, I want to add another flowers here, so I will copy this area here. For example, this one. Okay, so as you can see, it copied the portion that is selected. Now this one, you can see this area here is copied this portion here, so you can select it here and just brush here using your plumb tool. Okay, so now you can see it adds another flower. Or if you want to add also this one, you can use your brush tools, the cloning tool, then click out, then select, click. So you can see the portion that you are trying to copy like that. You see? So that is the use of cloning tool. Now you can see this one. So that's the 3 tools that I can teach you in this video: the magic wand tool, the brush tool, and the cloning tool. See you on the next video. Thank you guys.